In order to access your Lone Star online classes, you'll need to open a web browser. I have found that if you use Chrome, then you have the best luck, as the courses are typically designed to be compatible. If you use a different web browser like Edge or Internet Explorer or Safari, you may run into trouble. You'll go to the lonestar.edu website. At the top of the web page, you can click Class Login. Log into your online classes. Use your Lone Star ID. If you don't have this, you'll need to contact OTS in order to find out what it is. But it's the same login that you use to access any of the computers on the Lone Star campuses and to log into your student email. Once you get logged into the online portal, you'll see a list of all of the classes that you have signed up for this semester. Click on the name of the course that you want to view, and then you'll see content that is specific to that course. If you click on the Lone Star banner, it will take you back to the list of all of the classes that you've signed up for. While inside of a class, the initial view that you have are the announcements that the professor has posted for that class, as well as reminders of upcoming dates. Depending on how your professor has designed and organized their class, you might see specific dates for specific assignments listed in the upcoming events, and you can also click on Calendar to view a more detailed list that combines all of the classes that you're logged into or signed up for that particular semester. You can click on the name of the course at the top. It will take us back to the initial page. There are a couple of other things that you'll want to make sure you familiarize yourself with. This is the Desire to Learn interface, or D2L. Up at the top, there's an email. This is separate than your student email account. Generally, when professors send out emails, they will send it both to your D2L email and to your student account. But there are some professors, and I'm one of them, that when I send out messages, in order to avoid the clutter and confusion, I only send messages to students' D2L email. The only way to check that is to go through the email icon at the top of the page. I also prefer students to use their D2L email whenever they try to contact me. If you want to send D2L emails to any classmates or to any professors, you can go to Collaboration, Class List, and you'll see a list of all of these students and faculty members that are in the course that you are currently signed into. You can narrow the list for faculty or students. Click on a particular student and then send the email from there. You also have, under Collaborations, a number of other features that will let you email, chat, or build discussion pages with other students in your class. Some professors use discussions in order to take attendance or to facilitate discussions outside of a face-to-face class. This first list is a list of all the different discussions that will be had throughout the semester, and if you click on a topic, you can start posting threads. And once threads are posted, you can open a thread and reply to that particular student. You can also check your grades. In this section, as grades are populated throughout the semester, this will be updated, and your grade, the final calculated grade, will be populated automatically. At the end of the semester, some professors will calculate a curve or add in bonus assignments outside of the final calculated grade. So there is some leeway to this, and that will be specific to the class you're taking. In order to actually access the course content, you can go to Content, and your professor will have organized on the left modules or folder names that are then a collection of assignments and summaries with links to specific assignments that may be Word documents, PDFs, downloads, instructions, or videos. You cannot edit the view that you're looking at here, and instead will need to either print or download a copy. When you're ready to turn assignments in, you can go to Course Activities, Assignments. You can click on the specific assignment you wish to submit. And then in the student view, it will give you the option to upload a document. You can then select upload and find the file on your computer to upload. Sometimes professors will modify their assignments to allow multiple documents to be uploaded. Other professors will limit it to one document upload per student. You can also access quizzes and tests under Course Activities, Quizzes. Although your view looks a little bit different. Quizzes may have due dates, and they may have restrictions on when you can take that test. Some quizzes may allow multiple attempts. If clicking on the test does not give you the option to begin the test, then it is because the test has not started yet. There are plenty of other options available in D2L, but those are the major highlights, and I strongly suggest that you take some time to familiarize yourself with how the D2L is laid out so that you don't run into any trouble in the future. In the event that you do have trouble, your first point of contact will be the Office of Technology Services for Lone Star. Your second point of contact being to email your professor for your particular class.